The title of our book is Healthy Plates, Being Fit. It's by Valerie Bodden. No, the book's not upside down. The boy's doing a handstand. Can you guess what kind of book this is? Do you think this is fiction or do you think this is informational text? It has a photograph. Think about that for a second. Healthy Plates, Being Fit, Valerie Bodden. Actually, it'd be Bodden. Valerie Bodden. Okay, I think you've probably figured it out already. This book is an informational text. Some of the things that informational texts have are table of contents. Not always, but a lot of times they have one. Table of contents gives you a title, a heading or a subheading to find information, and usually the page number is on this side. This one's a little bit different. They have the page number on the left. This says Fit and Active. It's on page 5. On page 6 is 5 food groups. Page 9 is Exercise for Fitness. Page 17, Why Be Fit? Page 19, Tips for Success. Page 23, Make a Fit Snack. Page 24 is the glossary. Read more and index. So glossary and index are also things that often are in informational books. We're going to take a look at those really quick. The glossary tells you what some of the words mean. For example, calories. Calories is a way of measuring the energy in food. Eating too many calories and not exercising can make a person gain weight. Flexible. Able to bend easily. You are probably very flexible. Grains. Parts of some kinds of grasses, such as wheat or oats, that are used to make bread or other foods. Proteins. Foods such as meat and nuts that contain the nutrient protein, which helps the body grow. So glossary is often in informational texts, and this is an index. It has some different words that you might want to look up information on, such as warming up, and it tells you the page number, page 19. Food groups on page 6. So you can use an index to find information that you might be looking for, and you can also use the table of contents, both very helpful tools in informational texts. Let's start reading our story. Look at that. Looks fun. Fit and Active. This is a heading. Headings tell you what the next paragraph or paragraphs will be about. This page is Fit and Active. Being fit means being healthy. When you are fit, your body works well. You have the energy you need to be active. Your body is at a healthy weight. So this is called a caption. Captions tell you about pictures in stories. A lot of informational texts have captions. A lot of times the caption is on the picture. In this case, they don't have the caption on the picture. They just have the caption on the page of the other text. This caption reads, Water sports such as surfing can be a fun way to stay fit. Now, you would have to go a little ways to go surfing because you need the ocean to go surfing. Some water parks have places that you can surf. It's much smaller than going to the ocean, obviously. I think you know that one. Look at that pretty picture. Yummy. The heading for this one, I bet you can read that word. And that word, I bet. 5 food groups. Kids who are fit eat healthy foods from the 5 food groups. They eat fruits and vegetables, dairy foods, grains, and proteins like meat or nuts. Fit kids exercise almost every day. Grains and proteins are 2 of the words. They're back here in the index. I bet. Oh, nope. But they're in the glossary. Grains and proteins. See, they're bold. They're bold on this page also. Let's read the caption for this beautiful picture. Fruits and vegetables are the most colorful foods on your plate. Yummy. Lots of fruits and vegetables. You should probably pause and see which one of those you can name. Our next heading is Exercise for Fitness. So that means this paragraph is all about exercise for fitness. So if I were to ask you to go through this book and look for information about exercise for fitness, you would go and look on this page because that's the heading. It's easy to exercise. All you have to do is play. You can play soccer or go swimming. You can ride your bike, jump rope, or dance to your favorite music. Running and walking are great exercises too. Here's the caption for the picture of the boy who's swimming. Swimming is a type of exercise you can enjoy by yourself or with friends. Now, it says by yourself. One thing I want you to know is never go swimming by yourself. Even grown-ups, even adults, should have someone else with them when they go swimming. It's to make sure that you're safe. Oh, so there's no heading on this page. So that means that it continues for this heading, Exercise for Fitness. Exercises like running or biking are called aerobic exercises. Aerobic exercises make your heart and lungs strong. They also help your body burn calories from food. This helps you keep a healthy body weight. This tells you how to sound out the word before it. Aerobic. Aerobic. There they are on bikes. Glad to see they're wearing their helmets. Ooh, I bet you like this one too. It's more about the same heading. Exercise for fitness. You can do exercises to make your muscles stronger too. Crunches or sit-ups build up your stomach muscles. Push-ups strengthen your arm muscles. So does swinging across the monkey bars. Climbing the jungle gym at the park can be exercise. That's what he's doing. Still in the same heading. See, there's no new heading yet. Ooh, boy. I've seen some of you do some of these crazy things. Stretching exercises are important too. They help make your body flexible so that you will not get hurt easily. Bending over to touch your toes is a good stretch. Oh, do you see a picture of somebody bending over to touch their toes? I don't see one on this page. I see lots of other stretches. That's a yoga pose. So is that. Boy. It's another yoga pose. I think that is too. These look fun. That reminds me of somebody in class. It can be tricky to hold your body still as you stretch. Caption for all these pictures. We have a new heading. Why be fit? Learning how to be fit now can help you stay healthy later. Exercise can make it easier for you to pay attention at school, too. It can help you have more energy and sleep better. Exercising can even make you feel happier. It's part of the reason that we would do Go Noodles if we didn't have recess, is because exercise can make it easier for you to pay attention at school. That's important. There's no caption for this picture. Looks like he made his own kite. That's cool. Tips for success. Warm up your body slowly when you are exercising. Then you can work harder. Make sure to drink plenty of water while you exercise. Swinging can be a good way to warm up or cool down. There's a nice glass of water. That's definitely very healthy to have. Oh, see, under the same heading still, tips for success. Most kids need about an hour of exercise every day, but you do not have to get all your exercise at once. You can run around the playground at recess and ride your bike after school. You can even do push-ups as you watch TV. Anytime you can get your body moving, you will be making yourself fit. You can exercise outdoors or inside with friends or by yourself. Make a fit snack. Trail mix. Oh, looks like we have a recipe. You know about recipes. Oh, this is something you can ask your parents to make this with you. 1 handful raisins, 1 handful peanuts or sunflower seeds, 1 handful cereal, 1 handful chocolate chips. So a handful is however much you can fit in your hand. That's 2 handfuls. That's 1. Put all the ingredients in a zip-top bag. Shake to mix. Eat your trail mix, and you will have plenty of energy to exercise. That's a picture of trail mix. They have, in this one, it looks like they have yogurt chips. That's not on that recipe. Looks like those are cranberries. So that picture is a little bit different than the recipe, but that sounds like a good one. And that's the end of the story. I hope you enjoyed our informational text. So the next time you read an informational text, look for all those parts, the glossary, the index. Look for captions. And look for headings. And, of course, look for the table of contents. Thanks for reading with me.